and welcome to the Phonics Channel with me, Mr. Tom, and this is the home of phonics for adult learners to help you with your pronunciation, your speaking, and with your English communication skills. Okay, so let's jump into part 3 of the long O vowel sound. Okay, so this single letter sound can make the O sound. O, 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 okay? Usually it makes the O sound, but it can make the O sound as well, like the name of the letter is also O. So some words with a single letter sound makes the O sound here. So the first one will be no. Nice simple 2-letter word, no. N-O, no, N-O, no. No, I will not do that. No, no. Okay, simple enough. 2 letters, 2 sounds. No digraphs, trigraphs, or quadgraphs in this section of the lesson, just single letter sounds all the way through. Okay, next one is rosy. Rosy. R-O-S-E. Rosy. R-O-S-E. Rosy. Your cheeks are quite rosy. They are a rosy red colour. R-O-S-E. Rosy. Okay? 4 letters, 4 sounds. Rosy. R-O-S-E. Rosy. Okay, and finally we have a quite tasty word here, which is donut. Donut. D-O-N-U-T. Donut. D-O-N-U-T. Donut. D-O-N-U-T. Donut. I like to eat a donut every now and then. Okay? Donut. D-O-N-U-T. Donut. Okay, so let's go through them all again together. Say it with me, please, at home to practice your pronunciation and your speaking. We have the single letter O sound, O, no, N-O, no, rosy, R-O-S-E, rosy, and donut, D-O-N-U-T, donut. Okay, so let's go on to our final O sound then. Let's go. So our next sound is 2-letter sound, can also make the O sound as well. So O and U together can sometimes make the O sound. O, 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 the long O vowel sound. Okay, I have to say it's not the most common O sound, but sometimes in some words it can make the O sound. Okay, so the first word with this O sound is soul. Soul. S-O-U. Soul. S-O-U. Soul. S-O-U. Soul. My soul is, I don't know the word with soul. My soul is happy. There you go, there's a sentence. Soul, soul, soul. Okay, so let's go on to our next one, which is boulder. 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 B-O-U-D-E-R. Boulder. B-O-U-D-E-R. Boulder. The boulder was heavy. The boulder being a rock was heavy. Boulder. B-O-U-D-E-R. Boulder. How many letters does boulder have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 letters. How many sounds? B-O-U-D-E-R. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sounds for boulder. And a word that rhymes with boulder is shoulder. Shoulder. Sh. O-U-D-E-R. Shoulder. Sh. O-U-D-E-R. Shoulder. So in shoulder we have 3 2-letter sounds. So you've got sh, o, and here. shoulder, shoulder, shoulder. My shoulder is hurting from rock climbing. Could be a sentence there, shoulder. So letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 letters. How many sounds? Shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and yeah, 5. Just shoulder, shoulder. Okay, so let's say them all again together. Say it with me, please, to practice your English and your pronunciation. That would be great. O, soul, soul, boulder, 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 and shoulder, shoulder, shoulder. As I said, this isn't the most common O sound. This spelling pattern usually makes the ow sound, but it can make the O sound as well. Anyway, thank you very much for joining me today on the Phonics channel, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye. Thank you very much for watching the Phonics channel today. Please leave a like on the video, and also please subscribe to the channel so you can see future Phonics videos. Also, feel free to share it with your friends so they can improve their phonics as well. And feel free to leave a comment on the video as well. Also, check out the links in the description of the video as well. Have a great day.